Hi there.
Yeah, it's going to be towed.
What?
It's going to be towed.
Okay, are you a property manager here?
No, I'm not.
Okay, is this your car?
Yeah, it's going to be towed.
Okay, is this your car?
That's somebody who I know. It's going to be towed.
Okay. Can you come out? Can you come out and talk to me? I'll let you know you're being audio and video recorded, okay? Okay.
Yeah, what's up?
Because somebody who knows the owner of the truck says
It's going to be towed.
oh, okay. Do you have ID?
No, not on me.
Okay. So who owns the truck?
On the phone with the RP, said whoever's on.
I just casually let the person. I was trying to get something that I'm missing from my truck.
Whose truck is it?
I don't know the name.
Okay, I thought you said you knew the owner of the truck.
Somebody told me that's going to be towed, but take forever.
Yeah. So what are you taking off of it?
I was trying to get somebody stole my catalytic.
So you're
I
taking
was trying to just the tube.
so you're taking the catalytic converter?
Oh, they had no catalytic. At least a pipe. It's a pipe.
Just like in 41.
Yeah.
Contacting one. Hold on. Hey.
Yeah.
No, don't. Hey,
No,
leave that.
pick it up.
Put it down.
Why am I putting it out?
Wait. Put your hands behind. Step it
Under
up.
arrest?
One resisting. Put your hands behind your back right now.
I'm just picking up my stuff.
You understand what I'm saying? You're under arrest. You're under arrest. Other officers are coming.
I got
Don't
you.
even do it.
I got it.
Okay? We're going to stay right here. If you try to move, you're going to the ground. Do you understand? I got a taser and I will use it. You understand what I'm saying?
I understand what you're fucking
Okay,
saying.
just relax. Don't move.
You know the Russians are coming for you.
The Russians are coming for me?
They're coming for you, my friend.
Yeah?
Please.
Okay.
You have bullet?
Okay, just grab it and I'll go.
I didn't know you of that.